Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I am going to teach you exactly how you can highlight text in Photopea. So let's get right into it. So guys, I've been working on a text like that just for demonstration purposes, and I would like to highlight it, for example, with a different color than white. So this is how you can do it, guys. Simply left click on your text here on your image. After that, right click on the text layer here in the list of your image layers and select blending options from that drop down menu here at the top. And here inside your blending options, I suggest you head over to this feature or section here called stroke. So enable it by checking the box next to it. And now you can play around with the outlining or highlighting effect by, for example, applying a custom color here by clicking on that color box. So I'm going to go with an outline like pink is nice. So let's click on pink and click on OK to confirm. Also, you can play around with the size of the outlining effect here. For instance, you can change different positions, like for example, use outside, inside, or center. Select a different blend mode, adjust the opacity, and so on and so forth. And once you're ready, guys, simply click on OK here to apply the outlining or highlighting effect. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.